Hey everyone, today we're solving container with most water. You're given an array of heights, and each height represents a vertical line. Your job is to pick two lines that together with the x-axis form a container holding the maximum amount of water. The key formula to remember is that area equals the minimum of the two heights times the distance between them. Let's dive in. Let's walk through the example with height array 1, 8, 6, and so on. We start with pointers at both ends, left at index 0 with height 1, right at index 8 with height 7. The area is 1 times 8 equals 8. Now here's the key, we move the pointer with the smaller height, which is left. Next, left is at height 8 and right at height 7, giving us an area of 49. We keep moving the smaller pointer until they meet, and our answer is 49. The brute force approach would be to check every possible pair of lines and calculate the area for each, but that's n squared, which is too slow. The optimal solution uses the two-pointer technique. Here's the aha moment, start with the widest possible container at both ends. As we move pointers inward, the width shrinks, so our only hope for a larger area is finding a taller line. That's why we always move the pointer at the smaller height. This way we scan through in just n time. Now let's look at the code. We initialize two pointers at the start and end of the array. In our while loop, we calculate the current area using the minimum height times the width. We track the maximum area we've seen so far. Then comes the crucial part, if the left height is smaller, we move left inward, otherwise we move right inward. This ensures we're always trying to find a taller line that could give us a bigger area. We continue until the pointers meet and return the maximum area. Let's wrap up with complexity. Time complexity is n, because we make a single pass through the array with our two pointers. Space complexity is 1, since we only use a few variables. The key insight to remember is that moving the smaller height pointer is what makes this work, because the container's height is always limited by the shorter wall. This two-pointer pattern shows up in tons of interview problems involving boundaries or ranges, so definitely add it to your toolkit. Great job working through this.